maybe the third or fourth week of October, we started talking about forming an organization, partly because the need hadn't slowed down. We were still seeing thousands of people every week, and we were losing a lot of our federal and state resources at the same time. So I knew about Pisgah Legal, but I didn't know that they did community development things.
Our community economic development team provides technical and legal assistance to nonprofits. It can be a very complex and burdensome application process. So having an attorney there is a huge help and can make a big difference. Since Helene, we have assisted over 30 nonprofits who are doing disaster recovery work. And that ranges from brand new nonprofits like Appalachian Community Relief that have been created in response to the storm. But it also includes well-established nonprofits who are kind of shifting gears and expanding services.
Having the confidence of an attorney looking at our work was a huge confidence booster that allowed us to become partner with Mana Food Bank, to set up so many more ways for people to donate because now it's tax exempt. It also has just given us a legitimacy that has allowed donors and volunteers and suppliers and just a lot of things to happen that I think weren't happening before.